So hello everyone, we are back again with another question, and till now we have covered 3 questions of chapter 1A grade 10 ICSE. Now we'll be doing the fourth question from the textbook. It's a numerical from the textbook, Selina Physics. We'll start with the fourth question. Before we go ahead with fourth question, we need to understand that whenever we are talking about moment of force, so let's say this is moment of force. A formula for moment of force is force into perpendicular distance. And whenever we have moment of force clockwise, the direction is considered to be negative. And if it is anti-clockwise, we call it as positive. The direction will be positive. So based on this, we'll start with the question 4. It says the diagram in figure 1.28. You can see figure 1.28, right? Shows two forces, F1 5 Newton and F2 3 Newton. You can see 5 Newton, 3 Newton, acting at a point A and B of a rod pivoted at a point O such that OA is 2 meters. So you can see this is 2 meter and OB is 4 meter. In physics, we have to always read the question carefully. Now, the first question says that calculate the moment of force F1 about O. So F1 about O. So the formula would be moment of force equals to F into D. Now, when we say F1 about O, so F1 is this and this is O. So F1 would be 5 and distances between A and O is 2 meters. So answer is 10 Newton meter. Now you can see this is moving in the anti-clockwise direction. So I will write anti-clockwise. Similarly, when we are talking about second part, it says F2 about O. So the answer would be moment of force is force into distance, which is equal to, now this time force is 3 and distance is 4 meters. So answer is 3 into 4, which is 12 Newton meter. And this is going in the clockwise direction. So I'll be calling it as clockwise. Now comes the next part where it says that find the total moment about the force, total moment of two forces about O. So the total moment would be addition, which is moment about AO, which is total is 10 Newton meter, and it is as it is anti-clockwise, so I'll be writing it as 10, and the other one is 12, and that is clockwise, so that would be minus 12. So answer comes out to be minus 2. Now remember, minus means it is anti-clockwise, so it is 2 Newton meter in the, I'm so sorry, not negative is clockwise, so it would be 2 Newton meter in the clockwise direction. So what is the total answer for this? Total moment of two forces about O is 2 Newton meter clockwise, and we can check the answer key: 10 Newton meter anti-clockwise, 12 Newton meter clockwise, and 2 Newton meter clockwise. You can also do that add both of them, and whichever is greater minus the smaller one, and the rotation will be in the direction of greater moment, which is clockwise. That is also another method. So this was question 4. Let's go to question 5. But before we go for question 5, we'll have to erase this. If you have any question in the meantime, you can put it in the comment box. We'll go to the next question, which is question 5. So before we go for question 5, let's remove all the other content which is not needed by us. So this is question 5. It says two forces each of magnitude 10 Newton. So we can see here we have a setup available where it says two forces. So this is basically like this. I'm drawing it again because the other part of the question is on the other end. So there is 10 Newton. This we can see is in clockwise. And there is 10 Newton that also is in clockwise. And we have in the center O, and the total distance is 4 meter, which means if you'll see, this is forming a couple, and whenever there is a couple form, the moment of couple is given as force into distance between them, which is because it is 10 and 10, so it is 10 into 4. So answer comes out to be 40 Newton meter, and this is clockwise. So this is one way. The other way is to find out the moment of force about AO and moment of force about BO, and then add both of them. Let's check that also. Let's check what is the question asking us. So here it says length of 4 meter. I'll just remove the other part. So yes, the part says that length of 4 meter, which is pivoted at its midpoint, that we have already seen that how it is pivoted at the midpoint. So let's try and solve that way also by using the moment of force formula. So moment about end 1 to O, that would be 2 meter and 2 meter. So let's say if I'll call it as A and this is as B. So moment about A would be AO would be, it would be 10 into 2, which is 20 Newton meter, and this is clockwise. So 20 Newton meter clockwise. Similarly, when we are talking about moment for B, O, it would be 10 into 2, and this again is 20 Newton meter, that is clockwise. So you can see the total moment would be addition of both of them. So because if we'll take the symbol, then it is clockwise, which is -2 comes out to be -4, which is 4 in clockwise direction. So what is the total answer? -20, I'm so sorry, -20, -20, that is -40, which comes out to be 40 in clockwise direction, and the total moment is going to be 40 Newton meter clockwise. So we can use this method of adding, or because these are the same forces in the opposite direction and there is a distance between them, we can also use moment of couple. That formula can also be used, which is force into one of the distance, which comes up to be 40 Newton meter clockwise. So these were question number 4 and 5. In the next video, we'll be discussing question number 6, 7, and 8. In the meantime, if you have any question, do put it in the comment box. Thank you and have a great time. Bye-bye.